Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Well, here we are, dangerously close to the end of 2024. April, I wanted to just do a quick video here for you today for two reasons. First one is to say genuinely, thank you all so much for helping us to make this one of the most fun years we've ever had on YouTube. No matter what you believe in or celebrate at this time of year, we just want you to have a fantastic and safe holiday season. The other thing that we wanted to share with you was our top video, our most viewed video of 2024. This video right here, how to properly tip over your lawnmower. Almost 4.5 million views. What? In that video, I proved to you that my method works. What I do is I have two lawnmowers, one with a Honda engine on it, one with a Briggs & Stratton engine on it. I tip one of them over the wrong way, and within 5 minutes, there's oil dripping out of it. And then I do a funky little trick with the compression stroke, and then I tip both of those lawnmowers over, and I leave them for 3 days. And when I go check, there's not one drop of oil in 3 days that dripped out of them. So if you missed that video right there, I have a link for you in the description, the pinned comment, and also at the end of this video, I have a clickable thumbnail there for you that you can just click on and watch that video if you missed it. I think you should. The comments, everything, one of the most shared videos that anybody's ever shared of ours. So check that out, and until next year, cheers, Steve out.